Hello, hello, friends. Hope you are doing great today. Brit here with a full body workout for you. We are going to be standing this whole time, so no going on the floor, no equipment necessary. But let's go ahead and get started with our warm-up, and I will let you know what we are doing. We're going to start with a march and a little arm swing. And just bringing those feet out in front of you. If you want to bring them way out into a nice high knee, that is great, and you can let those arms go as high as feels good. Remember, when we are doing our warm-up, we are finding our range of motion for the day. Seeing where our body is, waking everything up. Nice, getting that oxygen flowing through the body. Beautiful. So just about 30 to 45 seconds on each of these little warm-up moves here. Nice. And you can take both arms up if you like. Nice and slow. And even a press. Nice, looking good. So we got some arm circles coming up. In about 3 and 2 and 1. Let's go ahead and plant those feet. You can get a little bit of knee wiggles in there. We'll take those arms out, shoulders back and down, and just some small arm circles. Nice, looking good. So let's take a look here, 5 moves today. We're going to go through them twice. Let's reverse those arms when that feels good. You can also flip those hands. And we're going to stick to that 45 seconds about each time. Good, looking good. Let's start wiggling those knees. And then we're going to go ahead, take those arms down. We're going to get some hip wiggles. So just side to side, around the world. Nice, letting those knees bend. Nice, just as it feels good. Nothing too wild and crazy. Good, and let's go for a first little balance move. We got a balance move coming up. So grab a little wall or a chair. We're just going to get some ankle rolls. Nice. And just lifting that chest up, taking a couple deep breaths. Good, nice. Switching those feet. Little bend in the knees. Whenever we have a standing on one leg movement, you want to keep that knee just slightly bent. Beautiful. Couple more deep breaths there. Rolling those shoulders back. Let's go ahead and we'll get some twists here. Now we can have hands on our hips. Let those knees bend with you and those hips turn with you from side to side. And then you can let those arms out to the sides. Beautiful. And then let's go ahead and just see where the torso is. We'll reach one hand across and think about keeping those hips a little bit more forward. Just kind of seeing nice and easy where that back is. Good. We're going to get started with our first movement. And I'm excited about it. We haven't done this one in a couple days, and it's going to be walkouts. All right. So we're going to get started with that in 3, 2, and 1. So shake it on out. We're going to move to the edge of your workout area. Now, a walkout's going to start with a good morning, so we're going to push those hips back, looking for that nice stretch in the hamstring. You can kind of just hang out there for a second if you like, and then when you're feeling it ready, you can take a walk out. If that's feeling good, take a little pause, and then bring it back up. Nice. Remembering feet a little bit further apart is going to give you a little bit more stabilization. Making sure those feet are facing forward, and just take it at your pace. You can hold in that pause if you like, or you can just pop out into that plank and then bring it right back in. Got about 15 seconds left. Nice, walking it out. Beautiful. Remember, you can always take that plank from the knees if you're feeling like you want to hang there for a second. And we got about 5 seconds left. Squeeze that booty to bring it up. And I got a new movement for you. 3, 2, and 1. Here comes some side lunges. So this is a movement we don't do very often, but I'm going to kind of ease us into it. We're going to have those feet a little bit wider than hip width apart. We're going to bend to one side, thinking about not crossing where our leg is there, our lower leg, and pushing that hip back. Squeeze the booty, bring it up. So a little side lunge and shift. Now our chest is up to the front. Nice. I want to see your beautiful faces. Nice. And come up. I got the live crew with me working out today. We're having a great time. Enjoyed a little chat before class like we do. You can always join us by registering at BritHallFitness.com or exercise2feelgood.com. Beautiful. Give me 3 and 2 and 1. Nice. Shake it out. Nice deep breath. And we're going to go for those balance moves. Remember, little bend in the standing knee. You can grab a wall if you like or a chair for balance. We're going to take one leg out and just balance there. Nice. You should start feeling the top of your leg. Start burning a little bit. That quad. Squeeze that booty. Squeeze that booty. Belly button to spine. Lift that chest up. Hold for 3 and 2 and 1. Nice. Switching legs. Little bend in that standing leg. Toe forward. Belly button to spine. Nice. Squeezing that booty. Looking for that burn. Nice leg extension here. Now, if you are really feeling wild and crazy, you can go for a little kick out. Woo! And really spice things up. All right, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's give those legs a break. Feet are going to be hip width apart. And we're going to go ahead with a nice lateral raise, circle raise, taking it all the way up as high as we can, bringing it down in the front. Nice. And then all the way up and down to the side. Nice. Roll those shoulders back. Now I want you to really push, 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 and imagine yourself pushing through mud or molasses or some thick substance. Push down. You can do palms down or palms facing each other as you come down. Beautiful. And then maybe try palms up as you go up. Just looking for that mobility, range of motion. Beautiful. Turning them inwards as you come up and then outwards as you come down to the side. Beautiful. And while we are there, let's go ahead and open those legs. Last movement before we finish up this round. We're just going to do some side arm bends. Take that arm up. Side bends with an arm reach. That's what I want to call it. Nice. Staying nice and even, belly button to spine. Now, a little extra bonus for you. When you get up there, you can do a little arm circle each way. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, and then some wrist twists. I like that. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. Really getting that nice stretch through the obliques. Belly button to spine. Little arm circles as an option. Let's take just about 10 more seconds. Get another reach. And then we're going to go ahead all the way back to the beginning in 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. First round done. Heading into the second round, and we're going to those walkouts. So remember, find your base. You either want a little bit wider for a little bit extra stabilization or closer for some more challenge. And we're going to take it down in 3, 2, and 1. Pushing those hips back. Find that stretch in those hamstrings right behind the thigh, coming out to that plank. Beautiful. And then pushing those hips up, downward dog style. Push all the way back up, inch it back. Always the option just to hang out in that deadlift stretch. Remember, your workout is just for you. So wherever you are today is what you want to honor. Better to move within your range of motion than to risk any injury at any time. Beautiful. Movement is exercise, no matter what. 10 seconds here, so you can probably get one more, and then we're all done with the walkouts for the day. In 3, 2, and 1. But you know me, I encourage you. You can do walkouts anytime you like during the day. Kick it out, kick it out. We're going to those side lunges again. Let's see. How do we like those? Let me know. Give me a little message today. Holler out and see how that treats you. Beautiful. So we're pushing the hips back and not crossing this sideline. So from the side, I am pushing back. Nice. As if I had a wall in front of me, I am not crossing that wall. Beautiful. Maybe there's a little bench behind us. We're sitting, a little imaginary bench. And we just take a little rest and then come back up. Beautiful. Have about 10 more seconds here. Nice. Always staying within that range of motion and never doing anything doesn't feel right. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Shake it out. Balance movement. Remember that knee hold. We're going to do that knee extension. So leg out. Knee coming out. Hold that. And if anytime you need to drop it down, that's just fine. Take a break. Bring it back up. And remember the option for that little balance knee extension. Oh my goodness. Lovely. Nice. In 3, 2, and 1 other side. Almost done. We are like flying through these. Workout's just moving right along. Beautiful option to kick it out. Option to hold it here. Squeezing that booty. Looking for that burn right on the top of that thigh there. Nice. Hitting those quads. And in 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Shake it out. Let's give those legs a break. We are going for that lateral raise. Remember, here we are, palms facing up. Squeeze in together. And let's face them forward and then down. Shoulders back. Nice, like we're pushing something. Oh my goodness. Push, push, push it down. Nice. Let's switch those palms. Other side. Facing up now. Now we're lifting up something super heavy. Beautiful. As we come up, we're going to face those palms towards each other and then out to the side, and we're pushing something heavy down to the sides. Let's run through that one more time. Beautiful. Deep breath, shoulders back, belly button into spine, little bend in those knees all the way up. Nice. And down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. And while we're down here, let's roll those shoulders back, palms up, lifting up, lifting something heavy up. I don't know what it is. Whatever you like. And then palms out, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. Little bend in those knees, not locking the knees out. Beautiful. And we are heading into our last movement already. Let's widen those legs a little bit. And we are going to come to that side bend, arm up. And remember, we can do that little arm circle, little wrist circles. Woo, nice. Beautiful. And then coming on down. Nice. Belly button into spine. We're going to ease right into our stretches with this one. So let's take about 20 more seconds just going side to side with that movement. Then we're going to go ahead, slow it down, pause, and just hold. All right, let's start that on this side here in 3, 2, and 1. Let's just hold. You can reach down as far as you can. Take some deep breaths. Pause, and then see if you can sink just a little bit further in that stretch. A little bend in those knees. Still in 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Remember, we go to our pause point. Hold there for just about 5 to 6 seconds. And then with that release, we can usually go just a little bit deeper into that stretch. Nice. Listening to your body. And easing back on. Up. Nice. Let's go ahead. Both arms up and take a nice squat. So we're going to take those feet nice and wide. Arms up. And back down into a nice squat. We'll do 3 of those. Nice. And take it up. Deep breath in. Lovely. All the way back down again. Nice. Last time. All the way up. Let's bring those feet together and come out. Arms across. And bring one across. We're going to go ahead. Hold right on that upper arm. We want to stay away from that elbow. And just press in. You can take a little look over that shoulder. Keeping that nice and down. Looking good. Let's open it up other side. Shoulder down and back. Put them in that back pocket. Nice. We're going to take a nice lunge with a twist. This can be all the way down to the ground or just a straight leg back. So a wide stance. We can hold right here. You can take a little twist. Make sure you have a nice wide stance and a twist. Or you can take it all the way down to the ground and a nice twist to the outside is always quite lovely. Bring it back, legs in, and we can take that other side, just pausing, with a little twist to each side, and a twist, or taking it down nice and low and opening it up. All right, crew. Great job. Nice little quick workout today. You have done a wonderful job. Let's finish up with those hugs. So we're going to get a nice big chest opener. You know how we do it. One arm over the other. Settling those shoulders back. Nice deep breath. Opening up one more time. Other arm. Atop that one. Give yourself that pat on the back. Kudos to you. You go out there. Have a great day today. Peace. And I'll see you tomorrow.